Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best outdoor furniture on all of Amazon. I love this set, you guys. It is a 4-piece little set from Wisteria Lane. It is super cute. What you get is your love seat, your 2 chairs, and your coffee table to put in the middle. There's 8 cushions in total. It's going to be super comfortable, super cute, and really be perfect in any space, especially small spaces. It's gonna look so cute. This is gonna be made of the highest quality materials. It's that PE wicker, so way better than the old school wicker. You're not gonna have to worry about this breaking down over time from the elements. It's going to be fine with sun and water and even mold and mildew resistant. Everything is crazy easy to clean. There is tempered glass on top of the table, so all you have to do is just wipe that down. Even if you spill, even if there's crumbs, no big deal, just wipe it down. It's glass, so easy. All of your wicker is just going to also be something that's really easy to just spray and wipe down. Really resistant to dust and mold and mildew, all that stuff anyway, so it's gonna be crazy easy. And all of your cushions, all you do is just zip the cover off, and they are machine washable. That's huge. This is going to look great, it's going to be high quality, and it's going to last a really long time and be really easy to take care of and keep clean. So you guys go ahead, if you're looking for a patio set, this is a great one for you. Put it in your cart, you're going to be super happy with it.